From the shores of Australia to the islands of the Caribbean, to the coasts of Africa and Southeast Asia. Beneath the waves lies the city of life, and it's fading. On the blue horizons where the sunlight bends, there's a living architecture nature defends. Coral cathedrals built millimeter by year. 25% of ocean life lives here. From the Great Barrier's luminous maze to Pacific atolls in a warming haze. Tiny polyps building empires of stone, all bleaching white like a warning tone. 1 degree rise and oceans ignite. Acid in the water changing wrong to right. Storms grow strong, the coastline shake. Reefs break down with every wave. This is not just waves on sand. It's food, it's life, it's coastal land. If the reef goes silent, who will feed the millions who depend on sea? Guardians of the tide, stand with the ocean side. The future's in the blue we breathe. Save the reef beneath. Reefs shield cities from hurricane force, break the waves, redirect the course. $billion barriers, natural design, older than borders, older than time. Fishermen casting at sunrise light, tour guides diving in crystal bright. From Maldives shores to Belize bays, economies rise where coral stays. But plastics drift and trawlers scrape, mangroves for coastlines reshape. Carbon climbs in a silent graph, and the reef pays first in this aftermath. But there's open science, open has restored nurseries across the sands. Young corals planted reef by reef, communities rising in shared belief. Local voices, global call, protect the small to protect us all. This is not just waves on sand, it's culture, climate, human land. If we lose the reef, we lose a part of Earth's blue beating heart. Guardians of the tide, stand with the ocean side. For every child who one day see a living, breathing sea. The reef does not shout, it does not protest. It simply fades, and whether it survives is up to us. From the shores of Australia to the islands of the Caribbean.